Hey guys, welcome. So how do you transfer domain from Hostgator to Hostinger? So it's going to be really simple. So just bear with me on this one. So let's just go ahead and search the actual platform first. Let's just go with Hostgator. In this case, you could actually do vice versa. If you're using your domain as Hostinger, you could also start from there. So just go ahead and search the domain. In this case, it is the Hostinger. So we're going to be searching the Hostinger here and commence the domain transfer, so to say. So in a few bucks, you could actually just go ahead and do this. There's a bunch of options here on the bottom here. There's unavailable ones. The free ones are unavailable, unfortunately. So all you have to do is go ahead and click add, and once you have clicked on the ad here, Hostinger Blue is available, so that's good for us. It's actually one of the cheapest here on the option here, and you go ahead and fill up the billing address here. You could pay via Visa and all this one, PayPal, and yeah, that's just basically it. The basic stuff. You're going to fill up all of this, and yeah, this is the domain that we're going to get from the Gator, right? So just confirm purchase, and that's just it. Domain transfer. So thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day.